What is up, guys? Today we have a brief unboxing and review of the ZTE F30 Pro, which is a portable modem here, which supports 4G, 3G, 2G of course, but 2G is pointless, and LTE up to 150 megabits per second, Cat4, USB-A and USB Type-C here for the connection. Wi-Fi 6 currently support up to 286 megabytes here, and a new design, so this is a model of 2025, and actually it supports all the main bands here. It's improved version compared to previous one, and let's unbox it, let's check it out what's new here. So firstly, let's open this box here carefully. All right, opened, and let's check it out how it looks like, the package here. So we have the cable, Type-C cable. We have some warranty card. This is for cable, I guess. Also you have instructions how to install it, how to unbox it, how to connect it, which SIM card is using. Finally it's nano SIM cards comparing to previous version, which was used mini SIM card. Okay, this we don't need this for now. Also all the others I think pointless, so let's check how it looks like. Here I have a previous version. Of course I will make a separate video with a comparison. As for now you can see it's very similar but different at the same time. Okay, so we have USB here and USB-C from other side, so you can connect it by this cable. Okay, interesting decision. Also you have this golden written ZTE here, one indicator, and the model ZTE F30 Pro LTE USB modem. Let's open it up. So now we have no micro SD slot. I don't know why we needed before. One slot for nano SIM card here, and actual information how to connect it, Wi-Fi SSD, Wi-Fi key here, how to connect to the router, and the password here, so it's certificated. And let's check it out, let's check how it works. Let's connect it to power bank. In my case I will insert the SIM card right now. Let's do it. So here I have the SIM card, let's insert it here. So the SIM card is fixed. Let's close it up, so it's very simple. Before actually the upper part was opening, now it's the lower part. After this I have the power bank. Let's connect it to the power. Okay, wait, we need actually all this information, so let's keep it like this to see what we need. Let's connect it. All right, this part. Okay, this indicator is red now, so let's check it out what we have here. I will use my phone to connect now. Okay, so now we have actually the white indicator, so it's meaning that it's working well. Let's try to open on my phone the address here. That's the address. Let's open it up, see whether it's working. Okay, first we need to connect to Wi-Fi. Actually didn't do it, so let me connect now. Direct the ZTE, I guess, and the password. Scan, we can scan, but there is nothing to scan actually. They could add this QR code here, it will be much simpler. But let's insert the password. Okay, so it's connected now. Let's open the home page. Password, admin here. Okay, let's change the language. All right, so let's check it out. We've got LTE here. We have the Wi-Fi access QR code, so we can create it. I guess it's a version for laptop. I don't know whether it's a version for like phone is available, but seems no. So you have device information which you can block. You have current data, duration, upload, download speed. You have also information here. So you have all this data, maximum access number, signal strength, software version, statistics available here for upload, download, current months, current connection, data limit settings, so you can set it up if you have limited data. Settings, you have quick setup. Let's try it out next. So APN settings auto, name of the SSID here. Also you have VPA2, password. Okay, let's keep it. And then you can have apply. So I didn't change actually nothing here. What you have, security standards 2, the VPA2 and VPA PSK VPA2. So actually quite old one. Let's check the network settings. So it's automatic or manual connection. Also you have network detection here, manual, automatic, APN as well, auto or manual, up to your preferences. Also Wi-Fi settings is available, Wi-Fi switch, also maximum station number 16. Also this QR code here, display password, broadcast the network or no. Actually not much settings. Let's open advanced settings here. So you can select country or region. Actually a lot of them. Frequency channel can be selected. Channel bandwidths 20 or 20 and 40. BGN AX also 2.4 only available here. WPS, blacklist, device settings, also you can select change the password, you can enable the PIN code, you can reset it, you can restart it, and update management. Check for the new okay, click check button. Okay, here is check button. Let's check for new version available. I hope some of them available, even will work much better. Let's check it out. Okay, no new version found. Actually, it's brand new. It was released in spring 2025. Now it's summer 2025, so still no updates. Firewall, enable, disable. Also, you have some additional router settings, MTU, MMSCC. Here you have port forwarding, DMZ, UPnP. Actually, from the top you have operator, signal strength, connection status, SIM card, number of users. And basically that's actually pretty much it for the settings. So now let's do the speed test. Actually, let's close it up. That's how it looks like in power bank here. So actually it looks quite normal and it's quite compact here. Also, you can connect it to your router if it has USB. You can connect it to your laptop just by USB or Type-C cable, also available for this goal. And let's do the speed test. So here I have, open it up, click go, and let's measure the speed. Actually, it's in-house, so the speed is a bit low. I will try to put it near the window later on. Let's check the first here. Okay, that's the speed here. So now let's put it near the window. Okay, so you can see here that we've got some better results while I put it near the window. And currently I have the same cellular here installed on my phone. So let's test it out and make a speed test using the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now you see the results of Galaxy S23 Ultra, which actually is not bad, but comparing to the router, it's even showing the better results. So it's really comparable here. Galaxy S23 Ultra, where it's like top antenna is installed for LTE, but still you see results are really comparable. Also Wi-Fi 6 is indicated here, so it's really installed here. Let's just connect back to the ZTE router here. As you see in the top, Wi-Fi 6, and actually it's working pretty well, and I really recommend it as a new update for the ZTE router modem, and actually it's working fine, LTE is working fine, and settings are very simple, and actually it's really worth to buy right now in 2025.